Across India, there is a growing concern over sudden cardiac arrest being reported even among seemingly healthy and active individuals. Before we tell you about the subtle signs that are ignored or brushed aside, here is the latest yet tragic case study from Meghalaya where the sudden demise of Lok Sabha MP Ricky Andrew J. Singgon has shocked the state. The 54-year-old parliamentarian collapsed while playing futsal on the outskirts of Shillong and was later declared dead at hospital, reportedly due to the cardiac arrest. Tributes have poured in from across political spectrum. Prime Minister Narendra Modi remembered him as a committed public servant. Now, coming back to the issue, the warning signs always exist, but they are often ignored. Why are fit people having cardiac arrests?
Every body gives subtle signs in case there is going to be a heart attack or there is going to be a sudden cardiac arrest. But those signs are ignored. But most of the time, sudden cardiac arrest, it occurs in young, healthy people and it comes suddenly. So the most important point here is that we have to get our evaluation done. The evaluation in form of a cardiac checkup, that has to be done every year, and you have to see, not only get the evaluation done, you have to see a cardiologist with the reports and analyze that you are in the safer group and you are not up against sudden cardiac arrest. When we talk of sudden cardiac arrest, there are two primary causes of sudden cardiac arrest. One of them is coronary artery disease, which is like an epidemic in our country, which means there are blockages in the arteries of the heart and they have damaged the heart. There are scars in the heart which cause faster heartbeat coming from the lower chamber of the heart, which causes sudden cardiac arrest. The second reason are the hereditary cardiomyopathies. You must not even have heard the names which I am going to take, like hypertrophic cardiomyopathy, arrhythmogenic right ventricular dysplasia, like long QT syndrome, like Brugada syndrome. These are all hereditary, genetic mutations in the body which are occurring and which are causing faster heartbeat coming from the lower chamber of the heart, which makes the heart to collapse and a person to faint and have a cardiac arrest and die. These all can be evaluated by a simple investigation like an ECG.